How to fix DaVinci Resolve error unable to run CUDA mode. So first of all, if you are using NVIDIA GPU, you could install or update to the latest NVIDIA Studio driver from the official website. So go ahead to the official NVIDIA website and then just update or install to your latest NVIDIA Studio driver. Other than that, you can go ahead and switch your preferences to automatic or the OpenCL, depending on your options. Anyways, go ahead here beside file to the DaVinci Resolve button, go to your preferences. So it's gonna open this up and just stick to memory and GPU and go to GPU configuration. You could toggle this on as auto, or you could toggle it off and choose OpenCL. Again, it's gonna depend on which option you have, anything other than CUDA, of course. Other than that, you can also go ahead to the GPU selection over here, toggle that off, and go for a different GPU. But that's pretty much it. Those are a few options you can do if you're having the unable to run CUDA mode. So hopefully it helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.